we'll guide you through how to set up a WooCommerce store. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and make sure you're logged in. Once there, hover over the Plugins section and click Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce, and once you find it, click Install Now. After it's installed, hit Activate. This process will automatically start the WooCommerce setup wizard, which simplifies the entire setup. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You'll need to enter details like your store location, currency, and the type of products you plan to sell. For payment, WooCommerce supports various methods, but let's keep it simple. You can enable both PayPal and Stripe for credit card payments by checking the boxes. Then follow the prompts to connect your accounts. Next, you'll be asked to set up shipping options. Here, you can choose between flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup. You can always customize these settings later, so don't worry if you're unsure at this stage. Now, it's time to add your products. Go to the Products section on your dashboard and click Add New. Enter the product name, description, price, and upload some eye-catching product images. Don't forget to set the product category to help customers find what they're looking for. Once you've added all the necessary information, click Publish. Before going live, make sure to customize your store's appearance to align with your brand. Head over to Appearance and then Customize. Here, you can tweak the theme settings, colors, and fonts to make your store look professional. Check the mobile view to ensure it's responsive and user-friendly. Once everything looks good, you're ready to launch your store. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.